Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. This is the gaming review of Xiaomi Redmi 5A. So let's play some games on this device and let's see whether it can perform good or not. This phone cost 5000 rupees and it has Adreno 308 GPU which can help in the gaming, and it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor which is quad core processor, so it should handle some basic game. So let's start with some light titles like Temple Run. Let's play Temple Run 2. By the way guys, it will take time because it has only 2 GB of RAM. Yeah, I am using the lower variant. So let's play this Temple Run 2. By far it looks really smooth. There is some minor frameworks, I can see that, but it's like very minor, you can't even notice it. The gameplay is smooth. It can easily, I can say that it can easily handle this kind of game. And let's play Subway Surfers and let's see whether it can handle the Subway Surfers properly or not. It's loading. Let me reduce the volume. Yeah, that's better. See, when I start the game it lags a little bit. Yeah, again it drops the frame. Once in a while it drops the frame, otherwise it's running pretty smooth. .400 series from Snapdragon will handle the the small title very easily, I can say that. As you already see that it can easily handle this kind of games. Now let's quit this game and let's play some heavy titles. Let's play Asphalt 8 and let's see whether we can play this game on this device or not. Please guys, do remember that this phone cost only 5000 rupees. So don't expect more from this phone. Let's see. Let's first change the controls to this. And as you see, the graphics are on medium. Now let's play. Let's start career. Yeah, let's start it. It is running quite good. And it looks pretty good, huh? Wow. It is pretty freaking smooth, guys. I'm not kidding. It is very smooth. Oh my god. I'm enjoying this game. Oh no. But I will finish this story. And I'm gonna win. Oh no. so impressed, guys. This is like very smooth. I didn't expect that to be that smooth. And you will see already. It doesn't drop even a single phone. I don't even feel like not a minor lag. So yeah, that was good. I'm on the second position. Let me kill this video. Oh no. Yeah, on this. So guys, as you see that the playback of Asphalt 8 is really smooth on the medium graphics setting. If you want to play Asphalt 8 in this device, then please reduce the video quality, or you can set the graphic quality to medium settings. Then you can enjoy the game. The gameplay is really smooth on the medium setting. I don't play in the high setting because I know that it will gonna lag and it will gonna slow down, so that's why I was playing on the medium setting. So now let's try Modern Combat 5 and let's see how it can handle this Modern Combat 5. So guys, the gameplay started. Let's see how it can handle. The graphic doesn't look very attractive, but what we can expect. Let's see. It lags. Actually, it lags. As you see, it's not very ideal to play. Oh no. Let me take this gun. Yeah, this looks cool. Let's go. Oh my god. It is sluggish, man. As you see, the gameplay is not very well. It is sluggish. Not very much playable, but you can play it. Okay, man. Now let's okay. What? Array. What the hell? I don't need that gun. Sorry about that.
Let's get out of here. We've got company. Keep on firing.
Yeah, it lags quite a lot, as you see. So guys, we have played 4 games. The first game is Temple Run 2 and Subway Surfers. Those 2 games are like very basic. The gameplay of those basic games is really smooth in this phone. Then we played Asphalt 8 and the gameplay of Asphalt 8 is pretty awesome. But the Modern Combat 5 is really sluggish, guys. Really, I mean literally, it is very sluggish. You can't enjoy the Modern Combat 5 in this phone. But this phone cost 5,000 rupees. I know I am telling this for 5th time, but this is the biggest reason why people buy this phone, because of the budget. Yeah, because of the budget. They need cheap phone, but believe me guys, this is one of the best phone you can get under 5,000 rupees. If you want to see the unboxing video of this phone or the camera review of this phone, both videos are in the I button. You can watch there or you can watch in the description box. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to watch the camera review and unboxing of this phone. So that's all guys in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.